Hi, in this video we're going to show you an alternative to the Windows Device Manager. So you're probably used to using Device Manager to check on your hardware, check for errors, update drivers and that kind of thing, so you get the basic information when you click on something. You could right click on it, update driver, scan for hardware changes, check the properties, then you got your various tabs here for the driver and details and so on like that. So if you want to try another program alongside with it, it's not a replacement, you could use them both. There's one you could download. It's called DevManView, Device Manager View. It's free to download, just a zip file. Then when you extract it, you just run the executable. And then you get a list like this. Similar information, maybe a little more information actually. Then you have various columns with all kinds of information: manufacturer, what service, instance ID, location, disabled or not, connected or not, GUID information, install time, driver description, version, INF information, and so on. And then if you want more information, you could right click on something. Let's say you want to make a desktop shortcut to disable or enable it, you could do that. So if it's something you enable and disable all the time, you could just make a shortcut to disable the device, let's say. And so you could just click on that to disable that device, for example. Uninstall, if you want to open it in regedit to find where that device is in case you need to do something there. Open the INF file, it goes along with it. Do a search for the device name in case you want to look up some information, save it, copy it. Then if you want to choose the columns, if you want to get rid of some of these columns if you don't need anything, something like that. Or you can move it up and down, rearrange them. Check the properties of a particular hardware device. Open Device Properties window. Create property shortcut on desktop. Then you have some options here to show only connected devices, non-plug and play drivers, mark disabled items, mark connected devices, put an icon on trays for easy access. Got some advanced icons or advanced options if you want to connect to a remote computer. Tooltips, grid lines, and so on. Then you could sort, obviously, by columns. You could do it here or click on the column header, mark even and odd rows. Make a report if you want to print it out for all items or selected items. Search, just all kinds of stuff. So I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what it does, and then maybe you could try it out for yourself. Since there's nothing to install, you just run the executable, nothing to worry about. And then you could compare it to Device Manager. See which one you like better, or just use them both. All right, so I'll put a link in the description, and you could check it out. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.